Today morning, I picked up the phone and spoke to my daughter in Chicago. Asked her, "Hi, my dear, are you going to celebrate 8th March?" "No, Dad." "Why?" "I know men will come, offer flowers, simultaneously admire femininity, and propose to toast weaker sex. Damn it, I do not celebrate." Chief contestant, Toastmasters, and respected judges. Last week, Gardner Butterna rushed. I went there to see his 22-year-old daughter dead lying on the floor. Silence. All the members of the family sobbing, crying. I inquired, "What happened, Butterna? What happened?" "Sir, everything is lost. I do not know how to express." Yes, the torturing poverty, 2 young children, the responsibility of bringing them up, a drunkard, lazy husband taking care of him, and working in the garment factory. With all these responsibilities, the great mother was trying to keep up the brave face and smiling. But she could not bear the harassment, sexual abuse by the manager of that factory. Committed suicide. Yesterday morning, while I drive through India industrial area, I see thousands of women walking across the road, working in the garment and textile industries. All of us have been talking time and again that Bangalore is IT hub. I say nonsense. More than 30 lakh women folk are given employment by garment and textile industry in Bangalore. Inspector of Factories was other day mentioning to me, Mr. Hegde, if these women are not employed gainfully, at least 25% of them would have become a big headache for the society, turned into prostitutes. What a great contribution for this upliftment of the woman folk. Do we celebrate 8th March as a day for the courage and conviction of this woman folk who are struggling there in the factories day in and day out? Yes, it needs to be celebrated. Today's newspaper carries Gangubai Handal, the great exponent of Hindustani classical music, turns 96 years. Do we celebrate her talent, which has won laurels all over the globe? Yes, the talent in women needs to be celebrated. 8th March, International Women's Day. Truly international woman Indra Nooyi, 53 years old, born in Tamil Nadu, our own Indian, CEO of PepsiCo. 2006, she was drawing 31.8 crores annual salary. Today, I do not know. I had to look at her assessment file. Do we celebrate her success as an entrepreneur? Yes. International woman, our own Sonia Gandhi. Do we not celebrate her leadership? We need to celebrate her. Look at Padma Subramaniam, the great Bharatanatyam dancer. Sonal Mansingh, the Odissi dancer. Mallika Sherawat for whatever dance. Do we not celebrate their talents? Yes, we need to celebrate it. Then our own local leaders who make international news. Amma, Jayalalitha, Behenji, Mayawati, who could not care for that nano project. Mamata Banerjee, do we not celebrate their own abilities as leaders in their own right? Yes, we need to celebrate. 1857, first time in New York City, more than 15,000 women working in garment and textile factories took out a procession, raising voice against discrimination. Having bread on the one hand, rose on the other hand. Bread give us the right to earn our livelihood. Rose improve our quality of work, make us also to smile. That is the reason as to why 8th March is being celebrated all over the globe as International Women's Day. That is the history internationally. In India, more than 5,000 years back, we have seen great mothers, Ahalya, Draupada, Sita, Tara, Mandodari. Yes, we know, Yatra Naryastha Pujyante, Ramante, Tatra Devataha, where women folk are respected, treated with dignity. That is where even the two goddesses that was mentioned, Saraswati and Lakshmi, and all of you will be keep dancing and enjoying. We respect the women folk, our mothers, our sisters, our daughters. They are always respected. Do we not celebrate for liberation from the pains, from the troubles, from the humiliation that they undergo? Do we not celebrate for their comfort, the peace, and the convenience always? We need to do that. Because, yes, there are men who are also celebrating. We know, simple meaning is, men are stupid, women are crazy. Do you know why women are crazy? The reason is because men are stupid. Men also celebrate, women also celebrate, and me, definitely I am going to celebrate because I love my wife, the most wonderful woman on this earth. Please join me in this celebration. Back to you.